In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Zillow API key 2026 guide. Zillow's developer access has changed a lot since the old ZWSID days. Instead of public keys issued in a standard Zillow account, everything now runs through Bridge Interactive, a Zillow group partner built for secure, professional-grade integrations. If you want authorized access that stays compliant and stable, this is the official path. Start by heading to bridgedataoutput.com and creating a developer account. Once you're in your dashboard, go to the data access area and search for the Zillow group collection. That's the data set you'll need to request. When you submit your application, describe your product clearly and explain how you'll use the data. Typical approvals cover features like Zestimates, property reviews, and public records. Be specific about your use case and expected volume. It helps the review team evaluate your request efficiently. After your application is approved by the Zillow group team, open your Bridge profile and navigate to API access. You'll see two credentials, a server token for backend requests and a browser token for safe client-side calls. Treat these differently. Keep the server token strictly on your server and never embed it in public code. Store both tokens in environment variables and make sure all requests use HTTPS, which is required. This setup protects your users, your app, and your access. Before you build, understand the data landscape. The Zestimate API is still one of the most popular endpoints, providing valuations across a massive property base, but usage is limited to specific approved commercial scenarios. Real-time MLS listing data, active for sale or for rent inventory, is usually not available through public APIs due to MLS licensing. For live listings, you'll likely need a separate IDX agreement through an MLS or vendor. Also note that standard developer plans come with strict daily rate limits. Keep an eye on your usage in the Bridge dashboard so you don't hit a cap mid-release. Caching and batching can help you stay within limits. If you're working on a small independent project and don't meet Bridge's partner requirements, consider third-party services such as Apify, Scrapeit, or providers on rapidapi that offers Zillow-compatible endpoints. These tools scrape publicly visible pages and return data in JSON, which can be convenient for prototypes. Just remember, they're not official, can break when anti-scraping measures change, and may come with compliance or reliability trade-offs. That's it. Moving to Bridge Interactive is the reliable way to keep your real estate app compliant.